Welcome to today's video on effective communication in relationships, strategies for women. In this screencast, we'll explore practical techniques to enhance communication and strengthen your connections. First up, let's explore the importance of effective communication. Effective communication is crucial in relationships, with studies showing a 30% increase in relationship satisfaction when communication improves. Let's dive into strategies that can make a significant impact. 1. Active listening. Our first strategy is active listening. Practice reflective listening by paraphrasing what your partner says, ensuring mutual understanding. This helps avoid misunderstandings and promotes a supportive environment. 2. Expressing feelings. Expressing feelings is key. Use I statements to avoid blame and express emotions. For example, say, "I feel upset when," instead of, "You always make me upset." This fosters empathy and understanding. 3. Nonverbal cues. Pay attention to nonverbal cues. Body language, facial expressions, and gestures convey a lot. Make sure your nonverbal communication aligns with your words to avoid mixed messages. 4. Timing is crucial. Timing matters. Choose the right moment for serious discussions, avoiding times when emotions are heightened. This can prevent unnecessary conflicts and ensure a more productive conversation. Addressing common pain points. Many women face challenges in balancing work and personal life. Acknowledge the struggle and create open dialogue with your partner to find solutions together. 5. Setting boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is essential. Establishing what you're comfortable with ensures a healthy relationship dynamic. Clearly communicate your limits and expectations. Here's a pro tip. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss any concerns or improvements. This proactive approach prevents issues from escalating and strengthens your bond. Now, it's time for action. Implement these strategies in your relationships and observe the positive changes. Remember, effective communication is a continuous journey. For further learning, check out these 3 resources. Crucial Conversations by Carrie Patterson. Online course, Communication Skills for Healthy Relationships. TED Talk, The Power of Vulnerability by Brené Brown. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more valuable content. Until next time, communicate effectively and strengthen those connections.